day all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday, the 26th of February, 2021, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So yesterday was the day that the interest rates, the 10-year, got up over 1.6. Today it's back down to 147. We're hearing it was a technical glitch nonsense. The market probably saw a massive amount of short covering, people realizing that this move wasn't a bounce, it's a change in the longer term trend, and I think the market understood that. Now, we broke down sharply in the stock market yesterday, followed through this morning, getting a little bit of a bounce now. When I did my morning updates, in fact, just prior to doing them, we were down sharply in the Dow. I was closer to the 31,200 level. Metals haven't bounced on this. The dollar hasn't given up a lot of its rally, but we'll see. A lot of importance going on today in these markets. Most of the currencies down. Bitcoin, you got to be out of your febs now, rolling over to your marches. Take a look at your 18-day average. The market has hit it. When we look at the energies, a bit of a correction coming in. OPEC meets this coming week. They're going to increase likely production, not by a whopping 2 or 3 million barrels a day. It'll be graduated. Remember, the Saudis took off 1 million barrels recently. And you're down now in all of the grains. Now, has that meant that the grain market's about to start focusing on U.S. plantings rather than worrying about so much of what China's buying? I think we're getting to that point. So that is something to think about. You can see the bonds and notes getting a good size rally, even the coffee giving something up today. When we look at the economic data, personal income came out just slightly better than expected, but better, and I think that's important. Consumption spending close to steady. Core PCE price index unchanged from what was expected, basically in prior month. PCE index, take a look. That one's up sharply, up 3 times what the market thought. We're going to get Chicago Business Barometer, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment, and today the FDA meets to discuss the Johnson & Johnson single-shot COVID vaccine. So I'd be looking at that. Have a favor to ask of all of you. If you're watching me on YouTube, can you click like if you like this? If you have a comment, feel free to leave them. I do my best to answer them if they're not saying, Ira, should I buy here, sell there? I can't answer those in a general form. I can do that as a subscriber. When you do it and you write me, that's one-on-one. For the public to read, I'm just barred by the government from doing that without long disclaimers, which I don't think I want to go through. As for what I do, you know tomorrow's going to be a big day. Why is tomorrow big? Because for my paid subscribers, what I do is I put out the weekly version of what the charts look like. And you want to see that. This is just the weekly charts. Sometimes I'll go back in there and also address at the same time a daily chart to give you what the pictures are looking at. For the longer term position, very important. I cover all the spectrums that you can imagine in the market, all the different categories going through them. And yes, I put out buy here, sell there, do this. We also offer to our paid subscribers our phone app, which I think is super important because you can use it on the go to see what I'm saying. Special updates come out. You got them right there than sitting by your computer. I cover all these with a scroll bar on the website, by the way, so that you can look at that scroll bar and say, oh, I just want to go to the metals. What's going on there? Whatever you want to do. Price of what? Coffee? That's basically it. If you go to Starbucks, Pete's, wherever you want to go, it's about the price of a premium large coffee to get 30 days worth of this. This is how you do it. Go to our research area. When you go to the website, you can take care of it from there. Last part, I am hard at work on the enhanced version of Bollinger Bands slow stochastics. I'm on the final phase. It should be finished this week. I'm probably 3 days behind, not much more. I might even catch up over the weekend, so maybe by early next week I'll be able to release. I'm Ira. You have a good weekend. I'll see you this afternoon at our end of the day market wrap-ups. Take care.